Hello everyone, money, money, money. I believe this will be beneficial to all that will hear this piece. I am going to share. I promised some time ago at the beginning of the year that I will be coming out with a kind of discussion of how you can turn things around financially. This will be one of the many series I will make. Many questions people ask: how do I get a job? How do I start a business? How do I pay my bills? How do I stand on my own? I am a graduate but not job. What do I do? I am not educated. But how do I make money? Everything people do is mostly all about money. I will find time to talk about easy ways to make money. Let your focus be on services and not on the actual money. How can you provide the need of people in your community or in your world? Today I will talk about making money online, offline and at home. There are ways to make side money. Listen patiently. Continuity, consistency is all important. There are many ways to make extra cash, dollars, euros, hard currencies. I know you want to have that dream lovely family going on super holidays, living in luxury homes. Yes, is possible. Now let's start how to make money. Number 1. Take a freelance online work making money online through some known websites such as fiverr.com, upwork.com, freelancer.com. They offer good freelance opportunities such as designs, programming, writing, virtual works, marketing, reel and affiliates. If you are good in a second language, we have many sites like Genho, DrumUp, BlendExpress and so on. No matter the job you do, there are always chances to be a freelancer. Don't go and be waiting for a company or government to give you an employment. The charge rate clearly depends on you, your experience and expertise. Number 2. Another way to make money from home is test websites and apps, sites like usertesting.com. In this you get paid for your thoughts. Just check it out. Though you need to pass some tests before you are accepted. I repeat again, number 2. Another way to make money from home is test websites and apps, sites like usertesting.com. In this you get paid for your thoughts. Just check it out. Though you need to pass some tests before you are accepted. New. Number 3. Learn how to use artificial intelligence AI tools. The use of AI is on the rise. We are going to be seeing trillions of dollars in market value for just AI. Some of AI-related side hustles includes integrative AI tools, help create digital products, edit AI contents for clients, teaching others how to use AI tools and some other stuffs. Number 4. Way of making money. Blogging, making money from blogs with affiliate links to get traffic to business websites. You get paid when someone clicks on the link to the partner's website. I advise you read more about blogging and be sure to cash out from it. Many people are millionaires just through blogging. Yes, you heard me right, millionaires. Another way to make money is taking online surveys. There are many survey sites like Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, etc. These are sites you can take a look at their websites and know how suitable it will be for you, though the money from here is just like a side hustle. CRAFTS. Another good way of making money is selling on Etsy. You can sell your woodworking, jewelry making, pottery, embroidery on Etsy. Site like this has close to 100,000 million active buyers, not just users, and billions of dollars in merchandise revenue sales. Another way of making money is ebook. Writing and publishing a book is not quite easy, but the internet has made it easier to bring the book to the market. The Amazon Kindle is a typical example where you can sell your books and earn up to 70% of it in royalties. You can write about your everyday life or just about your past experiences. Anything is possible. Don't be surprised that it will make a bestseller. Another big way of raking in millions is through advertising revenue from your blog or YouTube channel. With your phone, take videos of yourself, your pets, or some of your daily activities. Don't be surprised such will make a big viral video. Try to read what qualifies you and how you can go about making money on YouTube, Google AdSense, etc. I will deal with this separately, thoroughly and properly, hopefully soon. Another way is to monetize the gaming channel Twitch. I am trying to touch different areas for different audience or people with what they like or do. If you have passion for gaming, don't just sit and play games only, find a way to make money out from it. Instagram influencer. Even established stars are making millions of dollars just being an influencer. Companies are using Instagram influencers with dedicated followers to promote and sell their products. Don't stay idle, make money. Go through all these sites to know how and possible ways you can make money, sites like TikTok, Facebook, and a host of others. There are many ways one can rake in money. Babysitting. Yes, you heard me quite right. I know a lot of people that depends just on this alone to pay their bills and live a normal, comfortable life. Students and retirees can also do this as a kind of part-time or leisure job. You may ask, how do I get started? Well, words of mouth, referrals from family and friends. There are also websites where you can upload your information. There are some countries that do demand for some little training. All these are ways you can make money. Beautiful extra cash. It's really not a good idea to depend on just one source of making money. Another way of making money is by listing a spare bedroom or home on Airbnb or vacation rental sites, either for vacation or for long-term. There are many things involved in this, but be sure the agreement and what is needed is properly understood. Another way of making money is to rent out what you are not using in the moment, like cars, horses, and machineries, etc. That time you don't need it can translate to extra money. There are websites that do help out in this. Just Google it up and check. Another way of making money is delivery services. Delivery trend after lockdown has been quite high. Companies like Uber Eats, Postmates, DoorDash, and Amazon, when you register with them, you get paid per delivery. These are ways to make money and stop waiting and depending on anyone. Make money by driving for Uber or Lyft or both. If you have a car in a good condition, why let it idle? Apply to be a driver and use the car to make good money. Prices of things are going up. Inflation, so step up and take care of things by doing some extracurricular activities to make extra money. Another way to make money is by becoming a private tutor. Maybe you are a teacher or you have good educational background. You can be a maths, English, or science teacher for a private individual. These can be done in group or individual and also online, even as a language teacher. You can advertise who you are or your expertise in schools, public places, and even on some websites. Your pay and charges also depends on your experience and what you can deliver. Other ways to make money. There are websites like TaskRabbit that do connect people who need help in many areas like moving, cleaning, delivery, handwork, and some other services. Guys, avail yourself and make the best out of it. Many other ways to make extra cash, even as a house sitter. Walking their animals or pets, water their gardens and flowers, feed their pets, or be their shopper, go in to shop for them. All these are ways to make money. There are many websites. You can register and drop your CVS or contacts. I am going to stop here for now. Hope this video has been worth it, but no one think there are many scammers online out there trying to squeeze out some money out from people by telling you to register before they can help, asking for upfront fee, social security number, financial information, credit card details. Just be careful when you encounter people like this. Goff, believe them. Thank you so much for listening. You can see there are many ways to make money from home, online and offline. Try any of it, but remember, just believe in yourself and dream big. Anything is possible. Remember, look out for a need of other people in your world and try to meet it. That will be a stepping stone to fulfilling your dreams. I hope this piece of information has been worth it. Just have faith and have faith in God.